Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And these are the goods which we bought for our Suzuki Gixxer SF general service. So first thing is first, which I bought this Motul 7100 10W40. So this is actually is a fully synthetic engine oil which comes from Motul. Normally the recommended oil for Gixxer would be 20W40 for 156 cc, I'm saying. So yes, 10W and 20W doesn't make big difference, but the flow of this 10W40 will be good actually. So the 40 is the one which we need to look into. So going for 50 will be a bit bad choice. So this one actually will be in red color, if you could see. So this actually costs around MRP is around 950, but in local shops you get this one around 850. Okay, I just went and checked in around 3 to 4 shops, same price. But in online, this one is actually pretty cheap. It was just 760. You can save around 90 rupees. And I also got 1-day delivery. So where I could save around 90 bucks on this oil. And the next one, which is essential, is this air filter. So if you're driving in a bit of a dusty city, I would recommend you guys to change this one in every general service. So this one actually MRP is around 228 rupees, but in online, if you could see, I just checked, this one was around just 160, I guess. So this one I bought it in local shop, so this bit costly. So for every 10,000 kilometers, I think you can change this one. So in between 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers, you can just use some air gun and you can just clean it. Okay. And the next one is essential is the oil filter. So this is the oil filter, which it is done just a good packaging. So last time when we bought this oil filter, is now actually it is 70, but last time it was just I think 35 rupees, I guess. So that was in a cover. Okay, I'll just post that picture also for you. So just for the packaging extra 30, I think 35 40. So this is a bit costly. Okay. Next thing is the engine flush. So my vehicle previously it ran in 20W40, so it was a semi-synthetic one. So as I'm upgrading my vehicle to right now to fully synthetic, I thought I will use this engine flush. So I would recommend this engine oil flush around 10,000 kilometers once. You can use this one. This one actually is a 50 ml one. Okay, so it cost around 140. I got it for 120. Okay, so this one actually good. And also, sorry, I didn't mention this is a 1 liter bottle. Okay, so our vehicle will be actually just 850 ml. So you will be having a 150 ml extra top up. So after 2000 kilometers once, you can just top it off. The next important thing is this precarbon cleaner. So removing the complete fairing and the tank and cleaning the carburetor takes a lot of time and labor cost. That's why we could just buy this precarbon cleaner. I'll suggest you guys to buy this and use this one in each and every service, so that carburetor becomes a bit clean. Okay, this one actually is around 163. So I think I got it for 160, just 3 rupees off of the MRP. So Lube, it's good actually, but I think local you can get around 100 rupees from other brand. An extra upgrade for my bike is this hand grip. It costed around 80 rupees. So this one is a rubber one, so I thought I could reduce some vibrations on this. So that's it, all the goodies which I bought from my bike. So that's it from this video, guys. Do like and share and subscribe for this channel. So I'll be keeping you posted on when I will be replacing all the parts. Okay, thank you.